Welcome to all. I am Nurul Aini, Department of Mathematics from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. We are going to see the topic discrete random variable. The course outcome is the student should be able to understand the basic knowledge of probability and distribution. What is random variable? A random variable is a function that assigns a real number for all the outcomes in the sample space of a random experiment. Example, toss two coins, then the sample space is equal to. If we toss two coins means what are the samples we get? Two head and tail, then tail and head, then both are tail. These are the sample space for two coins. Now, we define a random variable capital X to denote the number of head in two tosses. That means X of 2 head. What is the answer? 2. Because we get 2 head, therefore our answer is 2. X of ht. How many head? 1 head, therefore our answer is 1. Then for x of th equal to 1 because here also we have only 1 head. Then x of tt, here we didn't get any head, therefore our answer is 0. We have types of random variable, two types of random variable. The first one is discrete random variable, the other one is continuous random variable. What is probability mass function? Shortly we can refer PMF. Let capital X be a discrete random variable, then P of xi, that is equal to Pi, is said to be a probability mass function of X. If the first condition 0 less than or equal to P of xi less than or equal to 1. Second division sigma P of xi equal to 1. The collection pairs of xi comma pi is called the probability distribution of the random variable x, which is sometimes in the form of a table as given below. Okay, let us see the problem of discrete random variable. The problem is a discrete random variable capital X has the following probability distribution. Here they given 8 datas. Out of this 8 datas, we have to find value of A. Next, probability of X less than 3. Then probability of 0 less than X less than 3. Then probability of X